With all these high speed runs I've been doing with this Coleman cc100x mini bike, especially after swapping in the Predator 212, it wears out brake pads big time. So I need to upgrade the brakes. But until then, I picked up these brake pads, and these things are huge. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the brake pads. Yeah, this thing wears brakes out quick. Wears pads out quick. I need to do a hydraulic brake upgrade. But until then, I guess I'll go ahead and replace these pads. Let's see if I can pop out this cable. Alrighty, let's go see if we can get the pads out. Alrighty, pop off this little backing plate with an Allen wrench. Hopefully. There we go. Man, that thing is tight. So there's that. You can feel it's like spring loaded because it has this little spring inside there. That once you let it out easy, and you can see this little spring in there on the pad right there. Go ahead and swap out this pad. And then this one has that little spring in the pad itself. They kind of wear out sideways. Anyway, so you pop the pad back in. You put the little spring back in. And then you pop them together without that little spring falling out. There you go, like that. Bolt this thing back together. Alright, there's that. So there you go. Go ahead and put the caliper back on the bike. Go ahead and put the cable in that little arm. And then slide it back into this little clamp here. There you go. There's that. Put it back on there. There we go. Pull it back down. Hopefully. Tighten the caliper down. All right, that should be it. Oh yeah, those pads are a lot better. Now I got a lot more brake handle. Alrighty, so there we go. Brake pads on the cc100x.